Okay, hello everybody. I am out today. I will be back tomorrow. Let me show you what the assignment is here. This document is in Google Classroom along with this video, obviously. All right. If you're taking a look at this before class, make sure you go to class because there's a sub there to take attendance. Okay. All right. So this is called a regression scavenger hunt. Okay. So what you're going to do is answer. We're going to do one together. You're going to answer 7 questions, and then it's going to like settle. It's going to make a riddle. Okay. Sorry, I couldn't figure out how to turn this. Okay, so bear with me a little bit with the Google Classroom. All right, we're going to do the most difficult one where you have to name these points. For example, this next one here, the points are already there. You don't have to name them. Okay, but like this shouldn't be very difficult. This is 1, 9. This is 3, 8. This is 5, 5. This is 7, 0. Okay. So you go ahead, you type them in. Okay. You type them in. I already did this a minute ago. All right. And now, guys, we're only going to do standard form unless it tells us to do vertex form. Okay. So last week we set up vertex and standard, but we're only going to do standard unless it tells us to go vertex. Okay. So here's your chart. You put your numbers in. This orange one is the standard form. All right, so A equals negative 0.25. Okay, B equals 0.5. Okay, and C equals 8.75. Okay, all right, so here's my equation. Y equals negative 0.25x squared plus 0.5x plus 8.75. All right, that's part 1. That's what you write down. Okay. All right, now, then it says use the equation to predict the value of y when x equals 0. Okay, so you type in, you open a new line. You open a new line and you say x equals 0. Okay, so you get a straight line. Now, what you're doing is you're looking for where does the line cross the graph. Okay, so I got a purple line and an orange. You can shut that blue off. Okay, all right, so there's the intersection, 0, comma, 8.75. Okay, so that's what I want you to write down, 0, comma, 8.75. Okay. All right, so now zoom out. All right, 8.75, 8.75. All right, so my first letter of the riddle is P. Okay, now put them in order. Now, I happen to start with this one here. You could start with whatever one you wanted, right? So it's going to spell a word, but you have to figure out what's the order of the word because you didn't necessarily have to start with the letter P. Okay, all right, but most importantly, here's the cool part of the riddle. All the answers are here. So if we didn't see 8.75, then I did something wrong. Okay, so you'll know at the end, did you get 100% or is something wrong? Because, you know, if one of the answers isn't there, something's wrong. Okay, all right, make sure you have Friday's assignment and this assignment. And we will go over everything tomorrow. Okay? Thanks. Have a good